Dios, your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These will be essential for the cleaning process. First, unplug your Dyson HS05 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure the device is completely powered down before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the dryer. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about tackling this yourself. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the device. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components during this step. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components, including the motor and the heating element. Use your soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris that has accumulated inside. This is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your Dyson HS05. After brushing away the dust, take your microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with water. Wipe down the internal surfaces, being careful not to get any moisture on the electrical components. This will help remove any stubborn grime that may have built up over time. Now, let's focus on the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the base of the device. Remove the filter and rinse it under warm water. Allow it to dry completely before reinserting it back into the dryer. If you're not comfortable with this step, remember we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble your Dyson HS05. Carefully place the back cover back onto the device, ensuring it fits snugly. Insert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. If you encounter any issues during reassembly, or if the cleaning seems too tricky, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer no calls, no travel services, ensuring you can get assistance without the inconvenience of leaving your home. Finally, plug your Dyson HS05 back in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any irregularities, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Regular maintenance like this will help extend the life of your device and keep it performing at its best. And there you have it, a thorough guide to cleaning your Dyson HS05 hair dryer, ensuring it remains in top condition for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.